gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, today I'm so excited. Okay, so remember last week's vlog when I went shopping and painted for my spring room? That is now happening and I'm so excited. I am moving rooms from this cute little bedroom that I love so much, and I'm moving into the room next door, and we painted it white. So my mom did the second coat yesterday. This is everything that we bought. I still have the bags in my room, like it's crazy. But the bed that I ordered is coming today. I ordered a double bed with like LED lights. I love it. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. And there's gonna be people bringing it in, so that's gonna be a cool adventure. My mom's out of town right now, so I'm doing this room all by myself, which is gonna be really fun. I'm really excited to see what I can like make. Oh, also cute little yellow pillowcases are coming today, so I need to go get this from the mail. But the bed doesn't even come till like 5 o'clock, and it's only like 12 right now, so I need to do things that can occupy me. So right now I'm on spring break, and yesterday I took a really fun trip to a lake house with my 2 friends. It was so fun, so I have a little vlog footage from that. We're gonna go swimsuit shopping because none of us really have like any new swimsuits. So I'm wearing this dress and it's super beachy and I love it. And then I'm wearing these little sandal 2 bags, because one bag I have a bunch of slime stuff and candy and things like that. And then I have one bag of all my clothes. So it's pretty crazy. But yeah, I'm in her car, she's eating a slushie. We're going to Justice. Like you're like, I'm like, this swimsuit because I really like it, and if it doesn't fit, I'm gonna try on this one. Yes! Look how cute this is! It's like a romper with shorts. I love it. So I'm gonna get this, and then I'm gonna get this swimsuit underneath. Final decision, I'm getting this halter swimsuit. That's so cute! Thank you! I got my swimsuit! We're here! We're here! Yay! I'm so excited. I've never seen your lake house before. Oh my gosh, he has a suitcase. Our view! That was so loud. Oh, look at our pretty view. This is like those like Instagram people who are like super like perfect at everything. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, so it's the next morning. So I'm wearing my new swimsuit, but I reversed it because it's like really cool. It can reverse, and she's reversed hers. But yeah, Liberty doesn't have a reverse. I made pancakes. She made pancakes. We had some breakfast. It's so nice. But I think I want to go out and swim with my brother for the first time. It's probably going to be really cold. But the lake, when I went, wasn't that cold. So, I don't know. I also need to shower today. And I need to edit a video and take some Instagram. Okay, so this is my current room. The bed isn't made yet, but it's so pretty. It's really pink and pastel-y. This is the apartment because we had to move a whole bunch of stuff. And it just got messy over time. Like, this needs some cleaning. This is the room I'm moving into. The walls are so pretty. Sadly, the bathroom didn't get a second coat before my mom left. And then my current bedroom, the one that I'm moving out of, will become like a mini studio because I'm gonna put Girl Talk in there. No! The bottoms to my swimsuit at the lake house where it fell out of my bag, because I remember walking around and the top fell out and I was like, ooh, I hope that doesn't happen again. That was my cat trying to get in the door. Just kidding, totally found them. Okay, let's go tan. Look at that pool. I just did 20 minutes in the sun and now I'm gonna jump in the water for the very first time. I have some company with me today. Stop, look at my belly, that's like, wait, ready, watch this. Look how happy she is. Okay, so now I'm walking down to my mailbox because my pillows are here. The room tour is gonna be coming out of this finished room and I'm really excited. The color's completely wrong. It's supposed to be yellow. This is like orange, like grossness. Okay guys, so Johnny is here, by the way, because his mom is babysitting us since my mom's out of town. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so late. It was supposed to come so long ago, and it's almost here. Here it is. It's almost there. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes, it's in this room, right up against this corner. Getting ready to move this carpet in. Yo, bed is done! Look at this! I'm really happy with this. So I have the carpet, and I've got these beautiful sheets, and then this adorable headboard, and I love it. So I'm gonna start the moving process. So my old room, oh, it's so yellow compared to my room now. Okay, so I wanna move this first. So I'm gonna move everything out of the way and take all of this makeup off so that I can move the vanity and then put it all back on. I have too much makeup. Vanity's in! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have to organize all of this stuff, but luckily I have this little guy, so let's try to make this all look decent. Okay, so I have 3 organizers that I desperately need, except all those little lipstick pots. But as you can tell, in the last room, it was like bum, 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 it was chaotic. So I think I could do one on the windowsill, like probably this one because it's the cutest. I think I got how I like it. So down here I have 2 eyeshadow palettes that are just ginormous. I have my glasses cleaner. I have some brushes that I have yet to open because I don't know if I'm gonna need them, so I might give them to someone. And then for in here, I think I'm gonna use the painting that I bought. And I think, yeah. So I just got help from Miss Eberino to bring in my desk. Okay, so from my bed's point of view, I can see the iMac for like YouTube and stuff. I also have to put my banjo and a huge plant in, and there's like no room to do that. So I'm thinking it would be really handy to put the desk here, because there is a plug, so I can plug in my iMac, yes. But like, I don't. I can't tell. There's so many decisions to be made. Honestly, I like this. And then from this angle, I like that. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I really like it. So this isn't decorated yet just because I don't know if it's gonna stay. I think I like this. It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. I think the next step is bedside table because that looks cute. So I have this one right here. Cute! I like how this looks. Also, this lamp is amazing. So you plug it in and it has 2 chargers. So I can plug my phone and my sprocket all in one. Love it! My desk looks adorable. I totally like rearranged the decorations exactly how I want it. But I'm not gonna show you yet because I want you guys to have some surprise for the room tour. So it's actually pretty late at night, but I'm gonna keep going. I only have a little bit left to do. So I'm gonna start organizing my bathroom because all of this needs to go in there and some of it needs to be like thrown away, all that. I just need organizing. Above my bathroom, I think I'm gonna put this painting because my little brother made it for me. I can't find a place to put my instruments because I usually lay them on this little thing. I don't have a place in my room. So I'm using this room, like when I'm done with it. It's gonna be like a filming studio as well as a guest room. So I think I might move the bed. Not sure yet. It might just be fine in the middle. I still don't know. I think I might move the bed here so it's laying across here and then put Girl Talk here because this is gonna be the new Girl Talk room. I also need to put my instruments in here because I have nowhere else to put them. So I'm gonna do that before I make this bed and hang up the painting above it. That honestly looks really good except for like the unmade like gross part. I'm so proud of myself that I'm able to do all of this without my mom because like usually she helps move everything. But like when you think about it, furniture's not that heavy. This room at least. So it's all swept up. I have a storage closet with like clothes that don't fit me yet. Then I have this cute rug. Then I just have some DIYs and some, you know, some pink stuff. Really, really, really loved this room. Like, honestly, I'm really sad. Like, I'm really, really sad that I'm leaving this room just because I feel like I get attached to weird things. Like, I get attached more to, like, feelings. And this room, the room that I had recently, this sounds so stupid, but gave me, like, a good feeling. Like, it was just such a good, happy, pink room. And I don't know, like, this room was just special. It was different. So I want to keep some of these things the same. Like, all this bedding is all the same. I made this painting a whole while ago. What even am I saying? Okay, well, I made this painting a while ago, and this is gonna go above my bed. The yellow pillow actually looks so good. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so it still needs some paintings. That's it. So I'm gonna finish this up tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so crazed out. My room looks amazing. I've been planning on doing this since like January. I knew I wanted a double bed or full bed. People call it different things. Just letting you guys know I spent all of my money on this room because I hate when people say like, stop wasting your parents' money. I'm like, I'm not. I'm wasting my money. The shout out of the day goes to Annie's Angels 21.